Brats, you know that the Oculus brand Elite strap kind of has a problem with breaking. It's prone to breaking. They've admitted that. They've guaranteed them for 2 years. But a lot of you have said Kiwi has made one similar to it, and you want to know, is it good? Does it feel durable? And is it comfortable? We got one right here to find out. So I rock the BoboVR. I'm gonna take this off real quick to do this test. I don't see myself switching. I prefer Halo straps, but this is for all of you out there who have been asking, what is this Kiwi strap like? Especially those of you who already have an Elite strap and really like the way it feels. Replaceable head strap for Quest 2. The box sure took a freaking beating on the way here, but hopefully the head strap is just fine inside. Kiwi strap. Looks like it maybe comes in a few pieces. We've got a Kiwi microfiber kind of cleaning cloth. It's a little nice addition. The back of the head pad and the strap is actually attached to the back of the head pad, and something kind of fun, it's padded on top too. So when that goes over your head, it's gonna have some squish. Kind of a nice detail. And then here is the actual strap. Gear moves nice. Hole there, this just slides into, snaps in firmly and nicely. Gear feels really good. Doesn't make a lot of noise. Tightens up nicely. It feels really solid and strong. And a pretty firm pull, the gear's not coming off. Plastic is pretty flexible. I will say, just out of the box, it does feel like it's got enough flexibility that it's gonna last longer than the normal Elite straps. Let's connect it on, see what we think. That went on nice. You felt it snap in a couple times there. Okay, now it's got a big fat strap to go over your head. So I'm gonna need to remove my facial interface, my fan. Boy, when it's on, it feels nice and solid. It does have a turning point here that goes up to help you get it on, so you're putting less pressure when you put it on. What's nice is so it hinges up, but it doesn't hinge down. So it can still actually hold the weight of the headset, and it should then, in theory, balance some of this weight back on the back of your head instead of letting it all hang off the front. This definitely feels so far like it was much more well thought out than the original Oculus Elite strap. Boy. Now, a reason I choose Halo straps is I don't like it pushing on my face in the circle that it's gonna do. This is still, of course, gonna do that. Part of the way this works is this is holding onto your face here, but unlike a lot of these types of straps, it's not a very hard pressure. It's really managing to capture a lot of the weight up top and distribute it around the back, that the part on your face does not feel like it's pushing too hard. It's there, and you're gonna get VR face from it, but it's not gonna be that VR face that you get where something's been pressed into your skull the whole time. Like, it feels like it's honestly just resting on my face. As far as an option, if you want something just like the Elite strap, this is it. This is definitely way better. Everything about it feels much more solid, much more quality, and it holds onto your face quite well. I'm not gonna switch off of a Halo one, but if I had the option between this or the Oculus Elite strap, or of course the stock strap, this is a great improvement. This feels really good. Man, it feels good, it looks good, the gear sounds good, and the pad on top, it feels really good. This, nice and cushy. You just don't notice it pressing on your head like the other ones that use the thinner straps. So very well thought out product from Kiwi. I'm not surprised. Most of Kiwi stuff is really quite good. I would say if you want anything like an Elite strap, this is it. Get this. Don't look at the other options. You know, we've reviewed a lot of them on the channel. Some of them are okay, some of them are not. But this, you're getting one from a pretty reputable, known brand. Very comfortable. It feels like it's gonna last you. I like this one. Good job, Kiwi. I will leave a link in the description in case you want to get it yourself. And if you already have one, I'd love to know what you think, because this feels like such an improvement. The design with the hinge, it's good. Thank you so much for spending some of your time here with me today. I hope this video brightened your day a little bit, and I will see you in another reality. It's actually really good for at least this kind of a design.